My name is Dr. Ava Page. I'm Director of Operations of the World Catastrophe Kill Zone Department. If you're watching this, that means you've successfully completed the maze trials. I wish I could be there in person to congratulate you, but circumstances seem to have prevented it. I'm sure by now you must all be very confused, angry, frightened. I can only assure you that everything that's happened to you, everything we've done to you, it was all done for a reason. You won't remember, but the sun has scorched our world. Billions of lives lost to fire, famine, suffering on a global scale. The fallout was unimaginable. What came after was worse. We called it the flare, a deadly virus that attacks the brain. It is violent, unpredictable, incurable. Or so we thought. In time, a new generation emerged that could survive the virus. Suddenly, there was a reason to hope for a cure. But finding it would not be easy.
The young would have to be tested, even sacrificed inside harsh environments where their brain activity could be studied, all in an effort to understand what makes them different.
What makes you different? You may not realize it, but you're very important. Unfortunately, your trials have only just begun. As you'll no doubt soon discover, not everyone agrees with our methods.